Discuss which software is best for installing Kali Linux in macOS. We have two types of virtual machines. UTM, one is UTM and another one is VMware Fusion, and another one is paid parallels in the software. We can install any software here, but it is paid. For free one, we can use UTM and VMware Fusion. I prefer VMware Fusion because it is the settings in VMware Fusion are GUI and better. We can change anywhere, anytime. We will see in later section how we can change the settings like screen resolution, memory, and all those things. And graphics in VMware Fusion is, I felt it is better than UTM. So we will install VMware Fusion then UTM free, the UTM virtual machine. Let's install VMware Fusion. The Safari and install the VMware Fusion. VMware Fusion and workstation. Here enter there. You have to download here. Download Fusion workstation. Here it will ask your account. If you already have, I already have account, that's why here it's showing my account. And here in downloads, this is showing free software downloads available here. Click here. And search for product VMware Fusion. We got VMware Fusion. VMware Fusion. Here we got the latest releases 13.6.3, 13.6.1, 13.6.2. I am choosing 13.6.1. Here we got the terms and conditions. Agree it. It's restricting, something is restricting. Mine is something is restricting, so tick this one and download the VMware Fusion. It will download it. Now VMware Fusion. Let's open the VMware Fusion. Open this and open the folder which you want. Kali Linux. Drag into this one. Continue. Select which one is better. Linux. Red Hat Linux 9. Let us select Red Hat Linux 9. Customer settings. Save. Then for display, for graphics, better graphics, select 512 MB. Useful resolution. Let's choose default all these things. Next show all. Next memory. 2048 MB. It's giving 2 GB for processor. It's okay to processor. I'm setting 4 processors and 2048 MB. Since I have only 8 MB RAM. Sorry, 8 GB RAM. Next, in general, nothing to change. Network adapter. Wi-Fi, select Wi-Fi. Next show all. My sound card remain. Next USB is nothing. Show all. Processor, keyboard, okay, done. Hard disk. Give 45 GB. I'm giving 45 GB. This is the hard disk what we are giving to the Kali Linux. Apply. After applying, done. That's all. Close this one. Run Kali Linux. Install, enter into the install. Next English. Next India. Mine is India, so I am selecting India. American English. Next host name. I'm leaving Kali. I'll give Kali C. Domain name I'm leaving empty. I'm giving username Aruna. Password enter your password. Then wait for the system to partition. It takes partition. Guided user enter this, leave it same, enter. This also enter same. This also in one portion. And finish partition and change to disk, enter. And go to yes. If you continue, change the listed below disks. Yes. It takes 5 to 10 minutes to install the system for an installation process. Let's wait for it. Enter into the college default desktop system using arrow symbols, downward arrow, and enter. Now it nearly takes 10 to 15 minutes to install this one. I am forwarding the video. Installation is complete. Let's continue. Make sure to remove installation videos. Make sure to remove the installation media. This is the user interface. Enter. I'll get it will ask password. This is the screen resolution. See this one. If you want to change here, this one, display, stretch the visualization window, If we shut down this one, restart, it will change its resolution. See now. That's it. We got our Kali Linux. Network connection, wired connection, it connected already. This is my Kali Linux. ls pwd for present working directory. cd bin. Let's check the harvest is there or not. Enter tab. ls -c. See the harvest is there or not. Not like this. Let's search ls -t star. There are too many. Let's get for THE star. These are the two files. This is the Python file. This is the executable file. That's it. We got the Kali Linux. Let's close it. If you want to change the wallpaper, you can change here. Desktop settings. The wallpaper you want, you prefer. I like the default one, so close this one. Yeah, that's it.